Let's get it. Forex analysis. Happy Sunday Funday. It is February 4th, 2024 here. We are gonna go ahead and talk about what we're doing for the weekly analysis market approach for this week here, upcoming week, especially for the month of February here, guys. Let's get into it here. Let's dive down here. So, we're gonna dive down here. We are buying the US dollar. We are buying the US dollar index here, the DXY. This is all on tradingview.com. Take a look at it for yourself. Weekly analysis. So buying the US dollar for 104, and then the next move would be to break 105, and then the third move would be 106. So expecting a positive momentum, positive uptrend for the US dollar to keep gaining. And we are beginning the week of tax season, so be well prepared for that as well. I expect high market trading conditions, high volume, high liquidity as well. So, believe we are buying indices. I believe so. So let me check one more time here. Yes, we are. So we're buying all the indices. I'm expecting US 30, Wall Street here to hit 39,000 and keep going above 39,000 for 40,000 here for Wall Street. S&P, expecting the S&P and 500 to hit 5,000 and above. So I don't expect S&P to drop anytime soon, especially during tax season. I expect all the indices to keep going up along with the US dollar index. Now, I know this is very contradicting because in the correlation aspect, yes, if the US dollar actually does go down, then all the indices would go up. Same thing in the other correlation, where the US dollar would go up, that all the indices would go down. Well, that's not the case right now. So, regardless if the US dollar is going up or down, the indices, especially Wall Street, you got NASDAQ and you got the S&P 500. Obviously, you got the VIX and everything else behind that. They are still going up during the tax season. So I don't expect any kind of bad outcomes or bad, you know, volume, negative trading conditions for all the indices to go down. There might be retracements, but I don't expect like a big reversal or anything like that. Not until we come into the at the end of March where tax season actually uh winds down. So we'll see how that all plays out. But like I said, I expect S&P 500 to hit above 5,000, sometime this week. So be well prepared for that. Nasdaq, looking for Nasdaq to hit 18,000 this week. So that I expect that move towards either Tuesday or Wednesday. There is going to be some kind of retracement. I probably say Thursday or Friday probably be like a retracement day for one of these, where they actually come back down. So, like I said, I'm not expecting any reversals for all these indices at all. I expect a positive uptrend momentum for all indices for the tax season, along with the USR index. Gold, selling gold. I'm looking for gold to come down during tax season. Looking for gold to come back down to 2,000, and then from there, we're at 20. Well, it's at 2039 right now. So looking for it to come back down to 2020, and then 2010, and then 2000 would be like the third take profit, and then the break below 2000 towards either mid February, if not by the end of this week. So I expect some kind of big move for gold to reverse itself back down on a downtrend versus going back up. All right, so UJ, buying UJ. I'm expecting UJ to hit 149 back to 150, and then the big move would be to break above 152. And so there was a retracement from 152 up here, right? Yeah, 152 all the way back down to 140. So that was a really nice sell. But right now, I'm expecting for it to keep going back up and break a new high. So that's what I'm expecting here. U-Swiss, looking for U-Swiss to hit 87. We're buying this pair. And then back to 88. And then the next big move would be to break 89. All right, USD CAD, buying USD CAD back here for 135. And then I'm gonna move this down. Back to 135, and then the second target would be 136, and then the third target would be 137. We're buying the Euro British pound here. Looking for this pair to hit back to 86 first, and then the second target would be 87. And then from there, we'll see if it breaks above 87. 87 has a fine resistance here. So we'll see if it peaks above 87 towards the end of the week here. Selling euro, and then we're selling the euro and we're selling the pound. I'm expecting the euro to drop back to below 107, back to 106. So the first move would be 107, right? And then the next move would be 106. And then the third move would be 105. And then same thing for the pound. Looking for the pound to have a major drop off here. And then first target would be 126. Second target is 125. And then the third target would be 123. And then we are selling the Australian dollar back down to 65 first. And then the second target would be 64. And then the third target would be 63. Same thing with New Zealand. We're selling New Zealand dollar as well, back down to 60. And then it break 60 back down to 59. And then 59 back down to 58. Checking in on the calendar here, the economic calendar. What's it doing, bro? Let's see here. I'm on the MyFX book. I'm gonna do Forex Factory. Let's go Forex Factory. Oh, Powell's speaking today. That's interesting. Very rare to ever see that. So they're actually speaking tonight at 6 p.m., which is, to me personally, it's unheard of. But I know they always have their press conference they're always talking about something. So RBA rate statement Monday night, cash rate decision for the Australian bank, the Reserve Bank, Fed, a lot of Fed speeches, a lot of FOMC member speeches. Let's see here. I know that's pretty much all I got. CAD got some news. New Zealand's got a bank holiday tomorrow, so don't expect too much volume for New Zealand for their currency. Other than that, I don't really see a whole lot going on. So the only way it's gonna be more finally driven is when all the FOMC speeches and unexpected retracements, especially during the London overlap with New York sessions. And that's my session I like to trade the most, anyways. Other than that, I don't really see a whole lot. But I'm really shocked to see what Powell's going to talk about tonight. So that could also spark up the markets during Tokyo sessions tonight, Asian sessions going into London. So we'll see what he plans on talking about for the economy, inflation, and if they do plan on dropping the interest rates down this year. So we'll see when that does happen. So be well prepared for that. Any questions and concerns on the analysis for the weekly signals or weekly analysis, let me know in the Telegram chat group as well. Other than that, I wish you guys a happy Sunday fun day, and hope you guys had a great weekend. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. All right, guys, happy Sunday fun day. You know how it's gonna be. Bully FX in the room here, so I'm gonna get ahead and tell you guys how it's gonna be for trading this week here. So, hope everyone's having a great weekend. Let's start with Bitcoin here. For cryptocurrency, we're gonna still be buying crypto. I'm expecting Bitcoin to hit 44,000, and then the next move from there would be to hit 45,000 for buying Bitcoin for this week here. Looking to buy Ethereum back to 2,400, and then the next move would be 2,500 from there. So buying all cryptocurrencies for this week here. That's what I'm expecting, an uptrend for cryptocurrencies, guys. Litecoin, buying Litecoin for 70. That's my first take profit. And then 72, that'll be my second take profit. And then 74 would be my third TP there. Buying Shiba, looking for Shiba to hit 9.5 here in the area here, and then the next move will be to hit the 10 mark here, right up here, right here, this price right here at the 1,000 mark here. Dogecoin, buying Dogecoin for 8 cents, and then the next move would be to hit 8.5 cents, 8.5, and then the final move would be to break 9 cents in value here. Ripple, looking Ripple for it to buy all the way back up to 55 cents, and then the next move would be 60 cents there. All right, Neo, coming into Neo here, looking for Neo to hit $12 in value, and then from there we'll try and see if it hits $13 in value here. Buying Dash, looking for Dash to hit 28, and then from there to hit 30. That'll be the next move right there. All right, so we're at Solana. Solana to hit 100, and then the next move would be to break back to 110 and then 120. All right, so we got down to Zcash here, buying Zcash for $24 and $25 in value. The highest price I would be hitting would be 26, and then that's all I'm hitting, going for Zcash here. Tezos, buying Tezos to break above $1 in value, and then from there we'll see how much more it's gonna keep going up. Other than that, that's all I got for the analysis for buying cryptocurrency for this week. I already was holding buys since Friday, and so it has trickled itself back down yesterday, but still looking forward to keep buying cryptocurrency for the remainder in the beginning of this week here as we come into the actual first week of February here. So other than that, it's a new month. Tax season is here, and just be well prepared. I'd expect high volume starting this week, high liquidity, and high markets of trading conditions. Other than that, that's all I have for you guys for cryptocurrency analysis and for buying crypto for this week here. Any questions, let me know in the Telegram chat group. Other than that, peace out.